Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a pool owner, you know how amazing it is to take a dip in warm water, especially when the weather starts to cool down. But let me ask you this, have you ever thought about heating your pool without skyrocketing your energy bills? What if I told you there's a way to enjoy your pool for longer periods while being eco-friendly and saving money at the same time? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of solar pool heaters, the perfect solution for extending your swimming season without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 7 best solar pool heaters on the market. I've personally tested these products and we'll be ranking them from 7 to 1 based on performance, durability, ease of installation, and overall value. So, if you're ready to make your pool experience even better, let's get started. Coming in at number 7 is the Steinbach Speed 49120 solar pool heater. Now, this one is a great entry-level option for those looking to dip their toes into solar heating without making a huge investment. The Steinbach Speed 49120 is made from low-density polyethylene, which means it's lightweight and easy to handle. One of the standout features of this model is its compact size. It's perfect for small to medium-sized pools, and it won't take up too much space in your backyard. The heater comes with a connector that fits standard hoses, so installation is pretty straightforward. You don't need any fancy tools or professional help, just hook it up and let the sun do its magic. In terms of performance, it does a decent job of raising the water temperature by a few degrees over several days. However, because of its smaller surface area compared to other models on this list, it might not be ideal for larger pools or those looking for faster results. The Steinbach Speed 49120 is also quite durable for its price point. It's resistant to UV rays and weather conditions, so you can leave it outside without worrying about wear and tear. However, keep in mind that it's not as powerful as some of the other options we'll be discussing later. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use solar heater for a smaller pool, the Steinbach Speed 49120 could be a solid choice. Next up at number 6 is the SunHeater S240U solar pool heater. Now, this one is designed for those who want something more robust than our previous option, but still want to keep things simple and efficient. The SunHeater S240U features 2 large solar panels that are designed to capture more sunlight and heat your pool more effectively. These panels are made from durable polypropylene material, which ensures they can withstand harsh weather conditions while maintaining performance. One thing I really liked about this model is how scalable it is. You can easily add more panels if you have a larger pool or want faster heating. Installation-wise, it's relatively easy, but might require some extra space due to the size of the panels. You'll also need to connect it to your existing pool pump system, which could take some time if you're not familiar with plumbing setups. But once installed, it works like a charm. In terms of heating power, the SunHeater S240U does an excellent job of raising water temperatures by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit over time. It's perfect for medium-sized pools and can extend your swimming season by several weeks or even months depending on where you live. Overall, if you're looking for something that strikes a balance between affordability and performance, the SunHeater S240U is definitely worth considering. At number 5, we have the Fafco connected tube pool heater. This model stands out because of its unique design featuring connected tubes that maximize heat absorption from sunlight. Fafco has been in the solar industry for decades, so they've had plenty of time to perfect their technology. The connected tube design allows for more flexibility during installation since it can be laid out in various configurations depending on your available space. This makes it ideal if you have an irregularly shaped backyard or limited room near your pool area. When it comes to performance, Fafco doesn't disappoint. The tube system efficiently captures solar energy and transfers it directly into your pool water through your existing pump system. You can expect temperature increases of around 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit depending on weather conditions. Durability is another strong point. Here, the tubes are made from high-quality materials that resist UV damage and corrosion over time. Plus, Fafco offers excellent customer support should you run into any issues with installation or maintenance. If you're after flexibility in installation and solid performance at an affordable price point, then the Fafco connected tube pool heater could be just what you need. Moving on to number 4 is the SmartPool S601 Inground solar pool heater. A fantastic option specifically designed for in-ground pools. This model comes with multiple solar panels that are built to last thanks to their durable polypropylene construction. One thing I love about this heater is its large surface area. It covers more ground than many other models on this list, which means faster heating times for larger pools. The Smart Pool S601 can raise water temperatures by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit under optimal conditions. Installation might take a bit longer compared to other models due to its size and weight. However, once installed correctly, this system works wonders. It connects directly into your existing filtration system and operates seamlessly alongside your pool pump. Performance-wise, this heater excels in keeping in-ground pools warm even during cooler months or cloudy days when sunlight isn't as strong. The large panels ensure maximum heat absorption throughout the day while minimizing heat loss at night. If you have an in-ground pool and want reliable long-term heating solutions without spending too much money on energy bills, this one should definitely be on your radar. At number 3, we have the Super Easy High Performance Pool Heater. And this product lives up to its name. As the name suggests, this solar pool heater is designed to be both high-performing and incredibly easy to install, making it a user-friendly option for those who want to enjoy a warmer pool without the hassle of complicated setups. One of the best features of this heater is its pre-assembled design. Unlike many other models that require hours of assembly, this heater comes ready to go straight out of the box. You simply connect it to your pool's filtration system and you're good to go. This ease of installation makes it an ideal choice for pool owners who may not be particularly handy or just want to avoid the headache of a complex setup. In terms of performance, the Super Easy High Performance Pool Heater does not disappoint. It uses advanced solar technology to efficiently capture sunlight and transfer that heat directly into your pool water. This model is especially effective in sunny climates, where it can raise your pool's temperature by several degrees in just a few days. Even in less sunny conditions, it still manages to make a noticeable difference. Durability is another strong point for this model. The panels are made from high-quality materials that are resistant to UV rays and weather conditions, ensuring that they will last for many seasons. This is crucial for those who live in areas with harsh weather, as you won't have to worry about replacing pots frequently. Overall, if you're looking for a hassle-free, high-performance pool heater that delivers excellent results without a complicated installation process, the Super Easy High Performance Pool Heater is a fantastic option. At number 2 on our list is the SwimJoy Industrial Grade Pool Heater, which stands out for its industrial-grade build and impressive efficiency. This solar pool heater is designed for those who want top-tier performance and durability, making it perfect for larger pools or pool owners who demand the best. The SwimJoy features an open flow design that reduces back pressure on your pool's pump system. This means that water flows through the panels more freely, allowing for faster heating times without putting extra strain on your equipment. This design also makes it compatible with virtually any pool pump system, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. One of the standout features of this model is its durability. The SwimJoy panels are built from high-quality materials that are resistant to both UV rays and harsh weather conditions. These panels are designed to last for many years without losing efficiency, making them a great long-term investment for any pool owner. In terms of performance, the SwimJoy excels in heating large volumes of water quickly. Thanks to its efficient design and large surface area, it can raise your pool's temperature by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit under optimal conditions. This makes it ideal for extending your swimming season well into the cooler months. Installation is relatively straightforward, but may take some time due to the size and weight of the panels. However, once installed, the SwimJoy operates seamlessly with your existing filtration system and requires very little maintenance. If you're looking for an industrial-grade solar pool heater that offers exceptional performance and durability, the SwimJoy is definitely worth considering. And finally, at number 1 on our list is the Sizzle Solar Pool Heater. The ultimate choice for anyone looking to maximize their swimming season while minimizing energy costs. This solar heater combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it the best overall option on the market today. The Sizzle stands out because of its all-in-one kit design. Whether you want to mount it on your roof or lay it flat on the ground next to your pool, this heater offers flexibility in installation options. The kit includes everything you need: panels, connectors, hoses, so there's no need to purchase additional pots or accessories. One of the most impressive aspects of this model is its heating efficiency. The Sizzle uses advanced solar technology to capture maximum sunlight throughout the day and transfer that heat directly into your pool water. In just a few days of sunny weather, you can expect your pool temperature to rise by up to 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Durability is another key feature of this product. The panels are built from industrial-grade materials that can withstand extreme weather conditions without losing efficiency or breaking down over time. Whether you live in a hot desert climate or an area with frequent rainstorms, you can count on this heater to keep performing season after season. Installation is also incredibly easy thanks to the detailed instructions provided in the kit. Even if you're not particularly handy, you should have no trouble setting up this system in just a few hours. And if you ever need additional panels or accessories down the line, Sizzle offers plenty of add-ons that make expanding your system a breeze. In conclusion, if you want a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-install solar pool heater that will keep your water warm throughout most of the year, look no further than the Sizzle Solar Pool Heater. It's truly the best in class.